I often hear how hard it is when small children kind of unravel. Having a hard time, kind of rolling on the floor, you can kind of see the escalation. They can't seem to calm themselves down. One of the things we know that doesn't work are the techniques that we use with older children. With older children, we might say something like, I'm here for you. I've got this. Come sit with me. Let's read a story. Younger children don't respond so much to the verbal stuff. Here's where you've probably heard many times the term co-regulation. Here's where the physical co-regulation really comes in, is when that child is on the floor, if I can sit on the floor with them, if I can be in close proximity, if I can make sure that my shoulders are relaxed, my hands are not in a fist. Don't even curl your toes. No, seriously, think about that, because you may be, like this. What we know about small children is that they are feeling that, and that's how co-regulation works. So they're taking in that human connection, those feedback loops, those signals that we give one another without even knowing it. So calm those shoulders, calm that face, unfurl that brow. Even if you have to do some of those breathing techniques yourself, while that child is still safe, you're kind of taking it and going, okay, you pull that together. The person in close proximity of you, even the small child, will be able to feel that. Make sure the other adults around you are not unraveling. And if you need to have other kids go to another location, like go to a story corner, if you can possibly make that happen so that this child can feel or see a sense of calm on you, that's really the best way we can help young children when they unravel.